Need help with cover? No, I got it. Okay. We got one right down right here. We got one guy coming around over here on this side. If you guys need help catching him, let me know. I'll try and rush over you. We are taking fire. We need evac soon. Our guys are coming up right over here. Yeah, our medics are right there. No, right over here. We're getting flanked from both sides. Hurry up.
Medic team, we have eyes on you. If you guys could cut right, we're being flanked.
Hey, is this our guy right here? Where are you guys at?
These are our guys coming here.
Right here?
On this side.
There is a rock formation on the hill to the west. We are on it.
I'm gonna come get you guys right now.
People, I think these are our guys over here. Hey. We got one guy coming up over here. We need to watch.
I'll go down and roll him up. How far?
He was down and he was snaking up. I'm not exactly sure how far he was. Probably about 40, 50 feet out.
When?
Alright, we got one guy flanking up over here, and I know there's another guy about down in here.
I think if we go back the way that we came down there, we got it.
Alright.
Yeah.
We just gotta watch our six.
Hey, Taylor. Taylor, we're gonna come back around that way. Yeah.
Hey, we're moving. We're heading out, yeah. We're going around that way. We gotta watch our six. We had two guys coming down that way, so.
Hey, Rob. Paul's hit. There's a guy right over there. We got these teams. Come on, let's go, go. Okay. What did you take?
How exactly did you guys get in here?
Huh?
How exactly did you guys come in? Just right on the ridge?
Yeah, we came right up the ridge.
Hey, hey.
Watch out, get down. Who's it? Here, get back, dude. Get back.
We got guys coming in over here. Well, I know we have our guys in here. I don't know if they got that guy out, but someone came pulling in from here. We need to watch our 6 still. Here, hold the 6 with them, because they said that they got 2 coming in.
Hey! Taylor!
Come on, we gotta go.
Come on, come on! Don't get too far behind, come on!
Yeah, we got one terrorist down here.
Stay back just a little bit.
Gavin!
You guys can respond right there. You might get shot though. Friendly! Is that you, Rob? Watch out, watch that right guy. Who's that?
That's Steve.
Coming up!
Holy